Now I finished the cutting of the first step. As you see here, my distal slope is longer, okay, my mesial slope is shorter. I have my trapezoid. I'm going to proceed for the second step, which is the step of the height of contour, right? I will return back my midline on this surface, the proximal side here. Till now I'm doing the same steps. I didn't do any change from the previous tooth. Okay, after that, come here. This will be my buccal side, okay, and this will be my lingual side. In the buccal side, I will make my height of contour, which is the maximum convexity. As I told you, it is in the cervical third, and in the mandibular teeth, it is below the cervical third, maybe at the cervical fourth. So if my measurement here is 8 millimeters, I'm going to measure 2 millimeters from this cervical line. Measure 2 millimeters here in the buccal, right? The buccal part here, it is 2 millimeters. In the lingual part, it will be in the middle of the crown. If this is 8 millimeters, so it will be 4 millimeters from downward. Here I will measure 4 millimeters and make you my height of contour at the middle of the crown. The same will be repeated here. Buccally I will measure 2 millimeters. Lingual it will be 4 millimeters. Okay, then measure your buccolingual dimension. Your buccolingual dimension here I have at the neck, it will be 3.5, measured by the ruler, of course, 3.5 and 3.5. Here it will be about 4 and 4, okay, because my buccolingual dimension is greater than the mesiodistal dimension, so it will be here 3.5, 3.5, 4 and 4. Here I will find my first step of difference. I used to do what in the upper premolar? I used to make intercuspal distance, right? I measure here 3 millimeters buccally and 3 millimeters lingually. Now I have lingual inclination, so I need my buccal cusp to be not centralized, to be lingually inclined, and not normal inclination. No, it is severe inclination. So stand here. This is the buccal side. Measure from this part 1.5 millimeter. 1.5 millimeter. Okay. And toward the lingual side, I will measure more. It will be 4 millimeter. Plus 1.5 here from the midline toward the buccal, toward the lingual maybe 4 millimeter. Okay, so this will be my buccal cusp tip, this will be my lingual cusp tip, this is my buccal side. Okay, so the crown will be lingually inclined. Then join between these points. From this point here, go again as one line, as we used to do. Neglect the presence of the slope. Go straight by a straight line like this from this point downward. Then take the other one in this form. And the lingual cusp here, cusp tip, I have 4 millimeter away from the midline. Go to the height of contour and go downward to the neck. Okay, the same will be done here. This is my buccal cusp, this is my lingual cusp. My measurement here again 3.5, 3.5, 4 and 4. Okay, 3.5 on the neck, 4 and 4 on the height of contour. Then the same points I measured, I join with them here in the lingual side. I stand here and join straight line to this point of height of contour. And from this point to the neck, another line downward. Okay, type. What about the other side? Here, this is the lingual region. You have to look also to confirm that the points are the same. Lingually, this means that my measurement in the lingual side will be greater than that of the buccal. Okay, so stop here at the same point, go and join the point here and there. You see? So now I have this shape. If I look, this is the buccal cusp, right? It is inclined towards where the lingual area. Then I'm going to cut all the excess beyond these lines. See, as I have drawn this like this, straight line, I should cut it a straight line. See? Here and here. Again from the cusp tip, go downward. Straight as you draw, cut. Usually use again the flat area of the carver to make flat surface of the X. Okay. Go exactly as you are drawing. Here I need a flat surface, but not concave. Get sure that it is flat till the point of the height of contour. Then at the height of contour, go down like this. Now another plane. From here, go and cut. Then join in the middle part. After I finish cutting, I should see here the line I draw and the surface have been cut exactly on the line. Okay, I have here my flat surface. I have plane here, height of contour, then another plane down to the cervical line. Okay, this is the buccal side. The same, I will go for the lines here of the lingual side. Go from upward, downward, straightforward till here, till height of contour, then go downward to the cervical line. I will cut and show you.